Blast off.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Yeah, I don't know. Sir?
I'm standing right behind you. You walk by and shit like that, man. What kind of disrespect are you?
I don't know. I just
Respect you trying to fucking hang out here, man.
no. It was just
You know what do you think? I'm 150 pounds. You know what I mean?
no. You probably take it, man. I'm a big pussy. I just
Man,
I've been working out a lot and just protein and shit. I can't hold
I
in.
want shitting your fucking self in front of people. You know?
But I don't work out. I mean,
Man,
you do. They say like you lose a pound with every fart. So maybe.
I hope you just fucking get lost. You know what I mean?
Thanks, buddy. Love you guys. Love you. Ooh.
He won't eat.
How you doing, Simon? Jeez.
This isn't cat food. My bad. Can you hear this? Listen. Yes.
Playing music?
Yeah, French horn. Yeah. Got him. I'll match it.
Good.
Where's that bathroom? Oh, that was cool. Good.
Playing PTSD on
Fashion plumbing desk.
The balls. Oh, orange.
That's disgusting. Yeah.
Oh no, you're fine. Come on, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, you're fine.
Special assistance needed in the wire cutting area.
Trash where it belongs. Oh God, okay. My bad. Oh, that's awful. Everything.
Yeah, I don't care. Just, you know.
You laying some pop today, sir?
Special
Laying a little
assistance
pop?
needed in the wire cutting area.
Oh, yeah.
Special assistance needed in
You
the
don't want
wire
that.
cutting area.
Right here, yeah.
Wire cutting area.
Lay some pop? I try to lay pop at least once a week now.